Welcome to third part of this session. In this part, we'll have a look on access modifiers available in .NET. Access modifiers are keywords used to specify the declared accessibility of member or a type. In simple words, using access modifiers, you can specify visibility of member. Means it should be visible inside class or inherited class or outside assembly. These are 5 access modifiers available in .NET: public, private, protected, internal, and protected internal. If you will declare member as in public, there will be no restriction over visibility. It will be visible everywhere. While private will restrict your member to class itself in which it is declared. Protected access modifier will give you visibility for that member inside class where it is declared, as well as derived classes of that particular class. Internal access modifier will give you access to all the classes of that particular assembly, or you can say DLL or exe or project. Protected internal means you will give access to all classes of that particular assembly because of internal keyword, and it will also be available in the classes outside that assembly which are derived from that class where member has been declared. To understand this, let us use this example. If I have one project, I have created one class library project, say it is assembly 1, and second class library project assembly 2. We know that when we compile class library project, separate DLL will get created. Okay, if I have multiple classes in same class library project, all these classes will get compiled in single DLL. But when I will have two separate projects, then separate DLLs will get created. So this is one separate project, this is one another project. Okay, now when I will compile this project, assembly1.dll will get created, and when I will compile this project, assembly2.dll will get created. Now inside assembly 1, you can have multiple classes like class A, class B, and class C. In class A, I have declared some members like number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, and number 5. Out of which number 1 is private, number 2 is protected, number 3 is internal, number 4 is protected internal, while number 5 is public. Now, let us check accessibility of these members. Number 1 will be available only in class A because it is private, while number 2 will be available in A, B, as well as in D because B and D are both derived from class A. So protected member will be available to derived classes as well, irrespective of in which assembly it is. Now, number 3 will be available only in class A, B, and C because internal restrict accessibility of that member to particular assembly, to that assembly only. It will not be visible to classes of other assembly. While as protected internal number 4 will be available or accessible to A, B, C, as well as D. How come? Because of protected, it will be accessible to A, B, and D, as B and D are derived classes, and because of internal, it will be accessible to all classes of this assembly. So that's why it is also accessible to C, but it will not be accessible to class E because neither E is derived from class A nor it is in that assembly. But number 5 is declared as in public, so it will be accessible to A, B, C, D, E. That means all classes of all assemblies.